We're going to use these three things to turn that log into a stove so we can boil water. Let's get started. Pretty much worked. Now I'm gonna take this and just kind of slice it a little bit, just to help it split. I mean, I could force it. I don't want to do that. Okay, so 2 halves, right? So we've got these 4 pieces. I'm going to take a piece of coal from the fire, and I'm just going to, just for reference later, just going to put numbers on this. First of all, I'm going to look at this. There's the halfway mark. So I'm going to make this, put this in thirds. This is about a third right there. That's a third. So I got all this area to work with. So now what I'm going to do is, make a bit. That aside. Now I'm gonna mark this side too. I'm also gonna mark it over here, just so I know what's going on. We're gonna do this. That's what it looks like. And if you can see it, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's basically a hole now. And there's a little bit, you can see there, yeah, you can see the floor right down there. There, and I need to do it so that they stop pretty much. Can you see that? Yeah, pretty much right here. How do I know that they're right there? Well, basically I'm just trying, if I push this like little piece out, I would need it to stop. I would need, yeah, like right there. So I'll show you in a moment what that looks like. Yeah, maybe now. Okay. So I'm just gonna get. So I've got those 2 cuts. So really, I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one for block number 4. That's done, and as you can see now, this is what it's starting to look like. So not only do I have a hole on top, but I also have a little hearth on the inside. I'm gonna wrap it up. Find a way that this kettle will sit on there without it tipping over. All right. Okay, set that aside. Oh. Try to get that in there. There we go. That's good. I'm trying to transfer that heat. Get some of that resinous wood in there. More shavings. There's some sticks. More shavings. There we go. Still not out of the woods yet, but we got some good signs. We're gonna keep adding some sticks, and I'll meet you back here when it's full. Quick aside is we can see that the physics are working. Here's an update. So the rope's below, it's not gonna burn. I've got all that aflame. So I think it's safe to say we got a fire now. Now what I'm waiting for is the inside to start coaling up. Once that happens, we got a sustainable flame, then we can start cooking with fire. Okay, we're on our way to a sustained chemical reaction with very little intervention on my part. Those are some good coals there, and you can see up in there that it's pretty hot. So I'm gonna wait for the flame to die down, and then we'll stick the kettle on. It's ambient temperature. You know, let's call it an, I don't know, 50s to 60s maybe. And get that lid on now. Positioning. The moment of triumph has arrived. That water is hot and it is boiling. Okie dokie. It's intact. Pour that right in there. And there we go. Look at that. Okay. Now, thanks for watching.